Hello, hello. I am on a 95-foot Azimut here at the Miami Boat Show. Gonna go on a little walk to the bow and get kind of a bird's eye view from the bow of the ship. It is 95 foot. It is wait for some people to join. Hello, hello. I am found my way onto a 95-foot Azimut. Shout out Venture Yachts for the hat, saving my life in the Miami heat. This is a 95-foot Azimut. And got a great view of the boat show here. It is a beautiful, hot day. Perfect to come check out boats. Here's the bow. Not too shabby. So this boat, I talked to the girl in the front who was working at the line. This is a $6 million 95-foot yacht. And you can have a crew of 6 and that it will sleep comfortably. I'm going to take a seat here. And you can have 20 guests aboard. And it is available for purchase. If anyone would like to buy it right now and take me sailing, come on down. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have my headphones. Can you guys hear me okay? How much? Only, let me see my notes real quick. I think she said $6 million. $6 million gets you a 95-foot yacht. This is an Azimut. But purchase price is cheapest part of ownership. Yep. But if you have $6 million to blow on a boat, I'm sure upkeep is nothing for you. So yeah, this one's 95 foot and doesn't come with a crew, but you can have a crew of 6 and 20 people on board. So maybe you and your 20 friends maybe you can get 20 friends together and buy one. I'm ready to go. I will be your events coordinator. Food and beverage and events coordinator. But it is a beautiful day. I just got back from the yacht, the super yacht area. Shout out Venture Yachts for this hat. Really saving my life today. But yeah, the boat show is going on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Come check it out. Tickets in my bio. I can't talk. I'm thirsty. Tickets are in my link in my bio. Use code Miami10 for a discount. I'll take you to the sleep quarters. I don't think my boyfriend would be too excited to hear that, but I'm flattered nonetheless. I'd rather a scarab or a cigarette boat. The cigarette boats are really cool. There's a lot of them that are docked in Miami Beach. Thanks for subscribing, Ken. Appreciate it. I don't think it's a good investment. Yeah, boat's a depreciating asset. Are you the event coordinator? I wanted to be there and message Santiago. No, I was joking that I would, if someone buys this boat and takes me for a little ride, I will be their food and beverage coordinator. But to contact this, I contacted it saying it to be in the Fort Lauderdale. No, if you go on the Fort Lauderdale website for the boat show, there's an exhibitor link. Like if you go to like the media center, you'll see who to email. Nope, I'm just hanging out, coming to you live with cool shit to do today. Are y'all coming to the boat show this weekend? Liability. Yeah. Depreciating asset, liability, exactly. But they're beautiful. I don't know if any of y'all are boat owners or boat enthusiasts, but let me know if anybody's done the loop, the Great Loop. That's my dream, to sail away. Well, I don't think I can take this through the loop because it's too big, but yeah, that would be my dream. But yeah, if you're thinking about coming to the boat show, link in bio, code Miami10 for a little discount. That ticket will give you access to 6 different locations, including this one. This is Herald Plaza. You need to show more of the boat. Okay. I can do that. So this is a 90, if you're just now joining, this is a 95 Azimut that they graciously let me come aboard. Here is the side. You can see the other boats. I needed to sit down for a second. Here's the sides. It's only $6 million and you can fit a crew of 6. Let me grab my bag and we can go inside. You can fit a crew of 6. It sleeps a crew of 6, and then you and 20 of your closest friends can come and hang out on it. How's this, Tommy? You want to go inside? It is a beautiful day. Shout out Venture Yachts for the hat, saving my life. Out here in the Miami sun. All right, let's see if we can go inside. I was chilling because I'm tired. All right, let's go inside. Excuse me. So here's the top deck. Got some other friends, other boater friends out here. All the fishing boats, the Vikings. Looks like we can go down in here. So this is where I would sit as the captain if you buy the $6 million boat. Assuming you'll let me captain you away. Why is it for sale? Who is the owner? I don't know. It's a part of the boat show. You can be the owner, Tommy.
You see the master? Really?
All right, should we go down? All right, let's go. So looks like got a little bathroom here, and this is the master. For $6 million, this can be your master suite on a $6 million yacht. If you're just now joining, I'm live at the Miami Boat Show, checking out a 95-foot Azimut. It is for sale. So if anyone has a cool $6 million hanging around, This can be yours. You can bring 20 of your closest friends. Who built the boat? Azimut. A-Z-U-M-E-T. They are actually one of my favorite brands of boats. We did a charter with them to go pick up trash on Raccoon Island like a year and a half ago. Beautiful boats. I mean, I've never met a boat that I didn't like, but stunning. Not too shabby. This is what $6 million gets you. Oh, should we go down further? Okay, let's see. So this boat apparently sleeps a crew of 6. So I'm guessing this is the crew quarters. They could put me down here and I'd be very happy. Looks like a junior suite. Like another junior suite. Not too shabby. Artie, I love the boat. Yes, me too. Rob, if you get 12 or 20 of your closest friends all together, pitch in a couple million, you can sail away today. Guess I'm a junior. But if you're just now tuning in, I'm at the Miami International Boat Show, and I am aboard a 95-foot boat, the boat of my dreams. And that was the crew quarters, I believe. And let's go back up to the bow, shall we? But the show is going on today, tomorrow, and Sunday. So if you want to come hang out, flagging for anyone else just joined. Ooh, sorry, Rachel. Maybe it'll be better on the bow. Let's go up. So this is what $6 million gets you in boat. Is it any better, Rachel? Not too shabby. I'll take it if they give it to me. All right, I'm gonna go down and then back to the bow. But if you're interested in hanging out at the boat show, tickets are in my link or my bio, and use code Miami10 for a little discount if you want to come hang out. I'm good in New Jersey, no lagging. How's New Jersey? How's the weather? I think it was lagging because I was down below deck. Haha. If anybody knows that show. All right, let's go back to the bow. Let's see, how did I get there? But you guys, if you like this tour, I went earlier to the Mega Yacht section, which was off of Iggy Marina. So I had to take the water taxi, and those boats were like 200 feet. Awful cold and snowy. Woo! I don't know how you do it. Oh, look at the fish. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them, but there's like a ton of little fish right there. All right, let's go back to the bow. But yeah, one ticket to the boat show gives you access to 6 different locations. You can get on boats like the one I'm on, check them out. Just make sure that you wear shoes you can easily slip off, and they'll let you come aboard. But it's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's already kind of warm, but it's beautiful. Perfect day to come check out boats. Follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna put a couple of live replays, including the one for this from the super yacht area. So we're talking like 200-foot boats. And there was one other one. I think I did a live right when I got here. But yeah. Come check out the boats. Bring water though. It's really hot. Bring a hat. Venture Yachts gave me this hat, saved my life. But it's hot. Wear comfortable shoes, bring water, a real fillable water bottle, and yeah, if you come. Use code Miami10 if you buy tickets. You'll get a discount. What's the temperature? I think it's like 75, 77, but it feels a lot hotter. The sun is pretty intense. It's 39 in New York. Oh God. How do you survive that? I'm not built for that. Well, Danny, for $6 million, you can come buy this 95-foot yacht right now and come and get out of the New York heat or cold. $6 million is exactly. And then you can fit 20 of your closest friends. Take 20 of your closest friends on the boat with you, and have a crew of 6. Well, all right, guys, I'm going to. What year is it? I don't know. I didn't catch the year of it. I need to find that out. She didn't tell me. It looks really new though. Well, it's pretty vague, but yeah. I think I'm gonna go charge my phone. I'm pretty low since I went to the super yacht section. That will be, sorry, I can't talk. I'll repost that on TikTok and then on YouTube. So if you guys want to follow me on YouTube, it's Eat Well Adventure Often. And yeah, so I'll post the super yacht content, so boats 200 feet plus. And then I did a live this morning when there was no one here, just kind of walking around showing you these different boats. But yeah, if you want to come out to the Miami Boat Show, still going on today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Link in my bio has tickets. Use code Miami10 for a little discount. Use code Miami10 for a little discount. You'll be able to get into 6 different locations, including this one. This is Herald Plaza. Thanks, Danny. I appreciate it. Come by this boat and we can go do more videos. I am going to do a test drive. I'm not driving it, but I'm going on a boat to drive along with at 1. I'm gonna try and go live, but if I don't, I'll post the video. But thanks everyone for tuning in. come to the boat show, come hang out, come tour 90-foot yachts. And if you got $6 million to spare, come buy one. Come buy this one. Take me to the Bahamas. All right, guys. Have a good day. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you later. Well, I tried to get out of here. I don't know how You guys enjoyed the view. I'm going to figure out how to get out of TikTok live. Here, one more. Some people joined. So one more panorama of the boat show before I do go. I gotta go charge my phone and find something to drink. It's so hot. All right, bye guys.